Hey everyone, it's Mrs. McGrath. I'm here to show you how to submit your answers on this Google Slides fraction number line activity. It's a little bit different than some of the other ones that we've done, so I just want to make sure you know how to use the features in Google Slides. So the first slide, all you have to do is click and then you can start typing in your name and the date. On number 2 here, the second slide, we have to drag these boxes into the right squares that they match with. You'll see in the directions, I believe they call them cards. So the one that says use the cards, it means these little boxes here on the right. And all you have to do is click on it and hold and drag it over. On the next slide, it asks you for the first part to use the line tool to draw lines that divide the number line into halves. So they want us to partition this number line into halves. The line tool that they're talking about is this line right here. So if I hover, it says line, so I just click on it, and it turned my cursor into that little plus sign. So now I know if I click and hold and drag, I can make lines wherever I'd like. And if it's not where I want it to be, I can always slide it over and move it. If I want to draw another one, I have to go back to that line tool and click it again, and then I can draw another segment. Whoops. On the next slide, it asks you to plot the fractions on the number line. So again, you would go to the line tool. You're going to click and drag to make your segments. And then down here, you're going to take these fractions and you're going to drag them to the right spots. I think that's about it. Down here on slides 6 and 7, they're very similar. You're dragging those cards into the boxes, whichever one we need to use. And on some of them, you actually might have to type in your answer, like this one here. It asks us to type in something. So the answer's not here, so I can go ahead and type in with my keyboard. Hopefully this helps you understand how to utilize some of these functions in Google Slides so that you're better able to answer these questions.